Hey everyone, it's Molly. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy fried bananas fritters recipe. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have a bowl with my flour in it, and I'm going to add my baking powder, sugar, and salt, and we're just going to mix this up. And I'm going to mash my 3 bananas. Okay, so here's my mashed bananas. I'm going to add the flour to it, alternately with the milk, and then just keep alternating those. Okay, now it says to add the lemon juice and the egg. And the recipe will be available for you down below in the description box. Okay, so over here I have some melted vegetable shortening. Now the recipe doesn't say how hot the oil should be, so one thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of my batter and I'm going to drop it into the oil and see if it's ready to cook these. I think I have about an inch of oil, so it looks like it should be hot enough to start frying these. So just drop it by spoonfuls. And you don't want to do too many fritters at once or it'll drop the temperature of the oil and it will take a long time to cook. And I have a cookie sheet with some paper towels laid out on it, so these will drain when they're done. And when they're light golden brown, you can flip them. And just be careful, don't burn yourself.
Banana fritters.
What the hell are you doing?
I don't know.
Dan, look at these banana fritters I made.
They look pretty awesome. Everything tastes better fried, even bananas.
I didn't know that you didn't like bananas.
Did
I'm
I?
honestly sorry, I didn't know that.
That's okay.
So
Let's see
try
what they
this.
taste like.
Those are good.
Those are actually not that bad.
Wow.
Everything tastes better fried.
They're light and crispy. They do have a banana flavor. I was kind of worried because the bananas I used were not terribly ripe. They still had a little bit of green on the stem, so I wasn't sure how strong the banana flavor would be. There is a banana flavor. I think if I'd used more ripe bananas, they would have been stronger. But those are good.
Yeah, they taste fantastic.
Yeah.
Actually.
These are really good. They're crispy, lightly fried. I mean, really, they're delicious. The recipe is from this cookbook, Gold Medal Flour Cookbook. This is from 1910.
Almost tastes like banana bread.
Like a fried banana bread. It just said to drop by spoonfuls into hot fat and fry it that way. And I used Crisco or vegetable shortening because that's what I had on hand. So you could probably use whatever fat you want to fry these in. I think cinnamon in these would be really good. Maybe like clove and nutmeg would be really good, but cinnamon would be really good in these. Probably. That was my test piece.
It was good. I wanted to go for the little crusty one at the end. It looked really sad.
Is that why you picked me? Well, if you like this content and you want to see more vintage recipes like these banana fritters, then please subscribe and hit the like button and let me know what recipes you would like to see. So Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes, and I hope to see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.